All right, this episode of TikTok made me do it, but actually it was Instagram that made me do it. I found Benjenji, I think is his name, Ben Tove. I will not say his middle name because, well, anyways, if you look him up, you'll know why. I don't want to mess it up.
Wow, it's amazing. I can eat it all day. Almond flour, peanut butter, pistachio bar. Must make.
Okay. All right, I see you, almond flour. Oh, very healthy. Seems easy. Uh-oh. Okay. 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 All right. Okay. All righty. Smooth it in. Okay, some pistachios. Put it in the freezer. I didn't have to bake it. Oh, there it is. Okay, we're doing this. We're doing this right now. So let's jump into it. So first we added the almond flour, then some peanut butter and some honey, blended that till smooth, poured it into a pan, pressed it down. But if I'm being honest, next time I'm definitely going to use a kitchen tool to press it down because I just used my hand like an amateur. So then I added some dates and more peanut butter to the blender, but here's where it got wild. I totally forgot to pit like a few of the dates. Whoops. So now I'm fishing out pits mid-blend like a gremlin. Topped it all with the pistachios and popped it in the freezer. The recipe said to freeze it for an hour, but yeah, no, definitely should have done 24 hours because it was still too soft to dip. While that was in the freezer, again, I melted some chocolate with coconut oil for dipping. Now here's the big but moment. When it came time to dip, the bars weren't frozen enough and I hadn't pressed them firmly enough, so they totally fell apart. And I ran out of chocolate halfway through, so double your chips, okay? These were messy, and I'm not gonna lie. They looked more like a dookie than a Twix bar. But every single person in my house loved them and ate them, so I'll call that a win. All right, Ben, those bars didn't come out quite as pretty as yours, but they are quite tasty. If you are hosting a dinner party soon or a kid's birthday party and you're like, I don't know where to start, I actually have an amazing free guide for you below. Get the link in the description and I will see you in the next episode.